Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about IC 723. Limitations of fixed voltage regulator is overcome in IC 723. Okay. This IC 723 is a low current device. Okay. It provides a load current of 10 ampere. Okay. It can provide a very low current of 10 ampere. It is a very low current device. This IC 723 is very low current device. Okay. So this IC 723 has, that is the variable voltage regulator, has two sections. First one is the Zener diode section. Second one is the reference amplifier section. This Zener diode provides constant current source. Okay. This Zener diode provides constant current source. And this reference amplifier provides a fixed voltage power supply of, that is V reference of 7 volt. Okay. So this constant current source is forces the Zener diode to operate at fixed point. Okay. This constant current source forces the Zener diode to operate in fixed point. Okay. So that Zener diode output is a fixed voltage. Okay. The other section is the error amplifier. Okay. That is the other section consists of the error amplifier. This error amplifier consists of a series pass transistor. Okay. It has series pass transistor Q1 and current limit transistor Q2. Okay. It has two transistors, series pass transistor Q1 and current limit transistor CL-Q2. Okay. This error amplifier compares a sample of the output voltage at the input terminal to the reference voltage applied at the input terminal. Okay. This error amplifier compares the sample of the output. It compares the sample of the output voltage at the input terminal and the reference voltage applied at the input terminal. This error amplifier controls the conduction of Q1. Okay, it controls the conduction of Q1. These two sections are not internally connected to this mode. Okay, these two sections are not internally connected to the various points. Okay, that are brought out into separate package. Okay, these two sections are not internally connected, that is brought into a separate package. That is, we have a 14 pin dual in line package. There we have 14 pins. That is the pin diagram of IC 723. First one is the no change pin. Second pin is the current limit. Third pin is the current sense. Fourth pin is the inverting input. Fifth pin is the non-inverting input. Sixth pin is the V reference. Seventh pin is V minus. Eighth pin is NC. Ninth pin is VZ. 10 pin is V out, 11 pin is VC, 12 pin is V plus, 13 pin is frequency compensation and 14 pin is no change. Next we can see IC 723 as a low voltage regulator, because this variable voltage regulator can be used as low voltage regulator or high voltage regulator. So next we can see low voltage regulator. Okay. Here this IC 723 is used as a low power voltage regulator, that is low voltage regulator. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram for low voltage regulator. This IC 723 provides a low positive voltage. It can provide a low positive voltage of 2 to 7 volt. Okay. This is the circuit diagram. This is the non-inverting input. This is the inverting input. This is the output, this is VCC, this is V plus, this is the reference voltage, this is the resistance R1, R2. Okay, this is the capacitor 100 picofarad, this is the load, this is R3, and we have a unregulated DC power supply which is converted into regulated power supply. Okay, so now here we have a non-inverting input voltage as V reference, that is non-inverting voltage VNI can be written as V reference into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is voltage divider rule. By voltage divider rule, we can write VNI is equal to V reference into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. That is the difference between the voltage, that is V in non-inverting voltage and output voltage. The difference between the non-inverting voltage and output voltage is fed back to the inverting terminal of the amplifier. It is fed back to the inverting terminal, that is amplified by the error amplifier. Okay, and this error amplifier output is given to the driven to the pass transistor Q1, which minimizes the difference between the non-inverting input and inverting input of the error amplifier. Okay, so we have V naught. This can be written as V naught is equal to V reference into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. If the output voltage becomes low, means the voltage at the inverting terminal of error amplifier also becomes low. This makes the output of the error amplifier to become more positive. Okay, thereby the transistor is the transistor Q1 is driven into the conduction mode. Okay, Q1 is driven into the conduction mode. This reduces the voltage across Q1 and drives more current into the load. Okay, this reduces the voltage across Q1 and produces more current in the load, causing voltage across load to increase. Okay, it crosses voltage across load to increase. When current is more, means voltage will also increase. Okay, so the initial drop in the load voltage has been compensated. Now initial voltage across the initial drop in the load voltage is compensated. Now the error amplifier operates at the as a non-inverting amplifier. Okay, error amplifier operates as a non-inverting amplifier with a gain of, solely we have the gain AV is equal to 1 plus R1 divided by R2. So we have studied about IC723 as a low voltage regulator, and also we have studied generally about IC723. That's all. Thank you.